Welcome on board to the Alien Spaceship. Welcome on board to the Alien Spaceship Talk Show with Emmy Hikins, a podcast where no topic is off limits. A podcast where no topic is off limits. Stick the kettle on belt. You're in for a bumpy ride. You're in for a bumpy ride. Sit back, relax. And enjoy the show. Relax.
About
and enjoy the show.
We're not going to stop.
News.
We're not going to stop using.
It's been in the news. I think it was last few days or a week or so ago.
Not
that in some
road,
towns
and then we're talking
cities,
about,
even not just on the sea. Seagulls are becoming a real.
We're still going to be mining
danger. I mean, they take people's food and they dive bomb people.
One way or the other.
So I mean, they're not the friendliest creatures anyway.
We're not in a position to win. No, and there was something. That's in the news recently. I think it was about 3 or 4 days ago. It happens. Where a seagull, there's something called a seagull insurance. Yeah. So when you go to did you see that? I didn't see that, but I know we can live in fear and then restrict ourselves of things that we should be enjoying. Life, for instance.
That was the first time I heard of it.
Anyway, so and there's news about this. It's an old meal, really, but I just thought, chicken and chips, feel good fact at the seaside where they'd ask you if you want to this seagull. I don't know if you ever heard of a seagull.
So they replace it if it's stolen. Yeah, I know. Seagull.
Yeah,
that's a good one.
Right. So I can see you're gonna enjoy this already. So
seagulls are there going.
British boy.
We made it into the news.
Traveled to
twice in 1 year.
Belgium, to a coastal town in Belgium called Deepstuff to compete
they must have their own Olympics.
It's an annual seagull screeching competition.
I don't think
you
so.
do a seagull screeching.
Who can snatch the most food?
I've never tried it. They really do.
And the
I don't think I will.
These guys they actually make the news. They really
and this is one of those ones where you ask me,
your food. They even take ice cream. I don't know how they handle that. With the one with the phone.
In the news. And the boy actually was invited to the BBC studio. Some of them, and he actually did it, stuff like that, probably, and they probably on insulin. You couldn't tell a seagull sound apart from the boy doing it, It was that good. So I can understand how we won. But it's one of those things where, you think, is there actually a seagull screeching competition anywhere in the world, let alone
managing my
in a country in Europe where and how do you get the contestants,
high blood pressure and all that? Right. So
who judges them? Who says that was a better screech than the other one?
I don't know if you saw it. It was years ago. And Nelson Mandela died.
I mean, it's been in the news. It's been in the news. I think these last few days.
There was a lot of dignitaries there.
That in some
Barack
towns
Obama was one of them.
Cities,
and
even,
they
not
had
just on the sea. Seagulls are becoming a real
do the sign language
danger.
for the deaf.
They take people's food and they dive bomb people. So I mean, they're not the friendliest creatures anyway, are they?
It was just
no.
He just made it up, didn't he? He invented it.
I think it was about 3 or 4 days ago. Where a seagull.
One of my mates said he was doing dance.
There's something called a seagull.
We're going to take a short break now. We're back shortly. We're going to take a short break. You've been listening to the Alien Spaceship Talk Show. You've been listening to the Alien Spaceship Talk Show with Emmy Hikins. Trevor.
The Alien Spaceship Talk Show podcast. The Alien Spaceship Talk Show podcast is looking. If you're a company out there looking to spread the word about the products and services, get in touch with Deepstuff Radio. Please get in touch with Deepstuff Radio at deepstuffrecords.com. On info@deepstuffrecords. The contact form on our website. To contact the contact form on our website. Contact us. Deepstuffrecords.com. If you're looking to get involved on the Alien Spaceship, reach out via our Deepstuff Radio Facebook page.